Can the Reliance Nippon Life increasing money back plan adapt and grow with your evolving financial needs and provide you with the peace of mind and security needed to secure your family's financial future? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goal in a more faster and smarter way. So now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. And some of the key features of this policy are you get life cover for the entire policy term, and you can also choose to pay your premium for a term of 7 years, a limited period like this, or throughout your policy term. And you can receive guaranteed money back benefits every 3 years starting from the end of your third policy year. And you can also enjoy money back benefits that increase with each payout. Lump sum maturity benefit is available at the end of the policy term. And there is an option to enhance your protection cover through riders if you had any, and there you can also receive fixed discount on premium depending on the sum assured amount you have chosen as a policy holder. You can also avail tax benefits on the premiums you have paid and on benefits you have received as per the applicable income tax laws. So these are some of the key features of this policy. Now let us take a look at the benefits available in this. So the death benefit is something which the nominee or the legal heir gets if the life insured unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So out of these two options, which is sum assured on death or 105% of the total premium paid, out of these two options, whichever is highest in value at the date of death of the policyholder, that will be given as the death benefit to the policyholder's nominee or legal heir. Now maturity benefit is something the policyholder gets once the policy matures. So here he will get a guaranteed sum assured on maturity which is equal to the base sum assured. And there is also something called money back benefit, which if on the survival of the policyholder, money back benefits are a percentage of the base sum assured which will be paid at regular interval of 3 years starting from the end of the third policy year, and it depends on which policy year and what kind of percentage they are going to assume from the end of the policy year. Like the percentage differs based on 3rd year, 6th year, 9th year, 12th year, like that, so on. So if you want to know about it more in detail, you can always refer to the policy brochure. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages present in this plan. So the advantages are you can take a loan of up to 80% of the policy surrender value, and you can add additional riders to the base policy to enhance the life coverage, and there are flexible premium payment options available which you can choose from annual, semi-annual, quarterly or monthly payment. Discounts are also offered for higher sum assured amount. So these are some of the advantages you get from investing in this policy. Now the disadvantages are the life coverage offered in this policy is inadequate, and the policy term and the premium payment period of this policy lacks flexibility, and the returns on the plan are relatively low. So the cash payout from the money back benefit may also fall short of actual financial needs you might have, and the money back benefit here cannot be deferred or postponed. So these are all some of the drawbacks you get from investing in this policy, which you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in it. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct the internal rate of return analysis, which is the IRR of this policy. We are going to calculate based on the figures mentioned in their policy brochure. So let us just assume that for example purpose that a 30-year-old male opts for the Reliance Nippon Life increasing money back plan with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So the policy term and the premium payment term both span for 15 years with an annual premium of 1,11,810 rupees. So throughout the policy, he receives money back benefits of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh and 5 lakhs at 3-year interval. Additionally, the maturity benefit of 10 lakhs is paid at the end of the policy term. So now, if we calculate the IRR for this cash flow based on this policy's maturity calculator, we get an IRR of 4.50%. So this is the actual return you get in your hand at the end of the policy. That's why an IRR analysis is very crucial whenever you're doing an analysis on whether buying a insurance policy, especially investment insurance policy, is beneficial or not. So while this plan offers guaranteed regular payout, you can see the returns are underwhelming because it is not a return which can keep pace with inflation for such a long term investment especially. Furthermore, the periodic payout here may not be sufficient to cover your major expenses, could even encourage unnecessary spending. So the sum assured also falls short of addressing the family's future financial requirements. So investing long term in a plan like this that yield return lower than the inflation rate defeats the purpose of saving. So given the low return and the limited impact of regular payout, this policy is not an ideal choice for achieving your long term financial goals. Now, as we can see that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome we desired, now what we are going to do is we are going to do a comparative analysis where we are going to explore another alternative investment strategy to see whether it can generate the same cash flow dependent on the pattern of this policy, but by separating life cover from investment, or even a better return compared to this policy. So instead of bundling insurance with investment, we are going to opt for a pure term life insurance policy for life coverage and another investment vehicle depending on our risk tolerance. So let us assume, just for example purpose, that a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs requires an annual premium of 20,100 rupees for a 15-year term. So compared to the budget we had for annual premium in Reliance policy, this is much lesser, right? So what we are saving is 91,710 rupees per year, which is available for investment, which can be allocated based on our risk profile. So if you are a low risk investor, you are not able to take a lot of risk, then options like the Public Provident Fund PPF could be considered, because this is a government backed fund giving you guaranteed returns, and also you get tax benefits under section 80C. So while if you're a higher risk investor, you might explore equity options such as equity linked savings scheme ELSS, which has also historically outperformed in many cases its average return if you consistently invest in it for 7 to 10 years. And also this can also be considered as a tax saving equity tool. So in this scenario, we assume the investment is made in an ELSS fund, just for example scenario. So to match the cash payout of the RNL increasing money back plan, withdrawals are made from the ELSS fund. So accounting for capital gains tax on each withdrawal, after 15 years, what you get is the ELSS fund final pre-tax value stands at 15.36 lakhs with a post-tax value of 14.81 lakhs. So the combined IRR for the pure term life insurance policy and ELSS investment comes to 7.78%. The withdrawal pattern in this example mirrors that of the RNL increasing money back plan. However, if you avoided the periodic withdrawal, your corpus could even result in higher returns. So when planning for life's financial goal, it is generally more effective to invest separately rather than depending on cash payout from money back plans like the Reliance Nippon Life increasing money back plan. Now, what is our final verdict on Reliance Nippon Life increasing money back plan based on our analysis? As you can see, this policy offers us with regular guaranteed cash payout along with life coverage throughout the policy term. However, both the cash payout and the life coverage in this policy fall short for most individual investors. So it's a mediocre money back plan that lacks flexibility in adjusting the premium payment term, policy term, and money payout benefits. While the cash flow pattern might seem appealing to some, the returns mentioned in this from our analysis are relatively low. So the money back benefits are unlikely to cover any major expenses you might have and could often lead to unnecessary spending. Additionally, the sum assured here is inadequate to meet your future financial needs. So as a long-term investment, the RNR increasing money back plan does not meet the expectations of most investors, and it has a high agent commission. So a key drawback of this plan is the mismatch between the money back benefit and the actual financial needs. So instead, it is more effective to create an investment portfolio that aligns with your specific financial goals. However, securing sufficient life insurance is also crucial to protect your family financially from unforeseen risk and ensure that your sum assured takes into account your life goal, future needs, and liabilities. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.